Hello everybody. We are going to look at gold and try to give my perspective on how to work on gold technically. So now, looking at the chart in front of you, we are having gold on the monthly time frame now. And if you can look at gold, it has been rising since 2019. So looking at the chart now, we can see that we're having a bit of, we are selling right there. So now we can agree that we are having our level of supply there, right at the top of this bar, of this green, the recent green bar. So right there, we are having a supply zone. So now I would like to go on the weekly chart so that we can have a clear vision of the chart. So here it is. Now on the weekly chart, we are seeing some sort of a trend right there, a bearish trend. So we are having a bearish trend like this one. Just make sure you are precise with your trend lines because you don't want to make mistakes. So right there, and looking at the current price, you can check, you can see that we are retesting the trend line, looking at the current price, and you can see the type of candlestick that is forming there. It might be a doji or something like that, a pin bar. So now, looking at that angle of the chart, you can see that indeed this is our major sensitive zone, 1906. That's our major sensitive zone. So now, without doing much analysis technically, you can already see what we are looking at. We are looking at a structure where it's rising and broke out of this trend line, now reached respecting the resistance, the previous resistance line, which now it's about to respect the trend line by retesting it. So with that summary, we are good to go to the daily chart and see if what's happening on the weekly matches the day. So right here we are looking on the weekly chart. So on the daily chart time frame, we can see that it was a major of it was a sell-off day. So now, what can we take from that? So we can see that if you know there is an area of demand right here. If you know the ICT method of trading, so you can see that right there at the trend line, and there is an area of demand right there. So we are expecting that's where this candlestick touched. So now we might expect it to go up, either break out of this trend line, then yeah, I guess so. Either break out of this trend line, and then if it happens that it breaks out of that trend line, we can patiently wait for a retest, then start buying right there until our next target, which is the next previous level of resistance, right? Which is 1956, only if price break out of this top, right? So with that being said, we can see now that from tomorrow, we will be expecting buys. So let's move from the daily to the 4-hour time frame. Without complicating things, we just keep it simple so that it's clear. So now if you check on the here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we had this nice support here, which price respected trended into resistance right here. This is what happened from Monday. Break out of that support, retested it, came down. Now it's respecting the support that's there right now, because we are having a support there. Now we have a support which is sorry about that. So now the support here must be respected, right? Because it's another level of sensitivity. So now price is respecting this level right now. So what I'll be expecting from gold from now on, I'll be patiently waiting for opportunities to go long. Either we crash this level of support here, retest it, I'll enter long, then until this target. If it happens, we break out of that target again, I continue waiting for a retest, then going long until I reach my target. However, if price changes direction, then I'll wait for the right moment to enter. So that's all for this short video.